Was it a hair? I think I just swallowed my cat's hair. Hello everyone, my name is Alfred. I am the most famous mystic in the world. In this video we're talking about your name, about the names that were given to us by, not just by our parents, but also by the universe. It was a co-creation, so you thrive, reveal your full potential in this life, because every name is a special, unique code. It's impossible to mention every name in this video and every meaning of that name, so we will do a small task just for you. You will count, I know, you will have to do something if you want to know yourself, like, and fully reveal who you are. You will need to do some things, and you see here this beautiful numerology. Every number has a letter. Now, find your number, find your letter, and you will have numbers at the end. It can be, if it's Leo, 3 numbers, 3 letters. When you found every number, every letter, you will need to plus every single number, and at the end you will have a number. This number, if it's more than 10, you will have to make it a single number, as you can see here. Save that number. This number is the number of your name. It's your special, it's your unique code. And people who have the same name as you have, you all have the same inner core of that vibration. Every name, every letter, as you can see here, has a number. It's a vibration. Before I tell you the meaning of your name, let's talk about what is a name and why we have them. Your name is incredibly important part of your identity. It carries your personal deep connections, your spiritual connection to the culture, to families, to history. It also gives us a sense of who you are, the communities in which you belong, and just your personal place in this world. I think the most important thing is your personal core that is connected to the code, that is the name, to a personal vibration. Of course, people who have the same name share similar program in the society, but yet it's your personal code that is applied and connected to your another code, and then to your date of birth, to your cosmic name, to any other codes. I know there's a lot of them, you have to know all of them. Why? I have one special phrase for you. I love this phrase so much. It sounds like this: a fortune of a ship is in its name. If it's called something like with a disaster, the ship will be destroyed. It will just go down and be somewhere in a very dark place with all the beings that are on that ship. If it sounds like beauty or like strength or victory, of course that ship will go so far with all the collective, with all the beings. Names the vibration, and the way you vibrate is affecting your interior and your exterior world. Recent studies found that our names have the potential to influence our behavior, physical appearance, career path, and life choices, popularity, and how others perceive us. Let's start with the numbers. By the way, let me know in the comments what number you have. Do it now and like this video, because it should be an exchange of energies, because I'm giving you something, so you give something back, okay? I'm revealing the secret of your name, so let's go. I'll give you a short description of what your name means. If you want a bigger consultation, message me on Instagram. I do readings, tarot readings. I do another type of consultation that contains your body graph, your numerology, your chakras, everything you want. We are exploring, we are learning. I am a student of life, and the things I study, I love to share. So message me directly. Now let's start with the number 1. If your name is number 1, it says about leadership, about individuality, about independence, attainment, beginnings, innovator. By the way, you can go back to the numbers and count the number of your lover or your friend or your parents, so you can see their description as well. Number 2, cooperation. Yeah, 2 people at least. Balance, diplomacy, the peacemaker, power behind the throne. Number 3, self-expression. I see 3 also as everything that is Trinity, and I have this tattoo of Triska. Rebirth, death, birth, present, past, future, self-expression, creativity, communication, artistic, sensitive, social. That's you, number 3. Number 4, limitation, order, service, practical, foundations, root chakra, discipline, reliable, systematic. This is the Emperor in tarot cards. Number 5. Are you number 5 or you have someone who have this number? It's constructive freedom. It's everything about freedom. Breaking the rules, breaking the boundaries. This is the meaning of your name. Change, versatile. It's about transformations. Explorer, traveler, adaptable. Number 6, balance, responsibility, all about the love, lovers. This is the program, this is the potential in your name. Caring, protective, nurturing, community oriented. Number 7, they are thinkers. It's all about analysis, knowledge, understanding. They are very logical, they love theories and solving the problems, wisdom, introspective, spiritual. Number 8, material satisfactions. They were born to be a winner. They love to compete, they love to train and gain the muscles or the skills, authority, power, ambition, giving and receiving. And the last number is number 9, humanitarianism, selflessness, idealist, compassion, completion, universal love. This is the Hermit in tarot cards. They have to find their free place where they can thrive, where they can regenerate. And this is enough to understand the vibration, the code that you have, your name, and the lessons you have to learn, and the potential that is in our communication, because people refer to you as that code, as that name. It's a social system. Animals don't call you by a name, trees don't call you by a name, the water, all the elements, they call you through the vibration. They feel you. This is why when you enter the forest, the spirits feel you. They feel your vibration and they easily can understand if you are with good intentions or with bad. So if you are with bad in the forest or in any place of nature, everyone will know. The birds, the trees, the insects, the stones, they all are connected. The roots, the mushrooms, they will spread the word of who you are. Don't worry if you are with bad intentions, but this is how it works with nature. Also, if you feel like your name isn't comfortable, let me know. It's another topic. It also related to your cosmic name. If you want to know more about it, let me know in the comments, like this video, and I will see you. Thank you for participating in this beautiful exercise. I'll see you in my next video. Sending you all my love. Mwah, mwah, mwah.